What's up guys, tis I, back again with another unboxing video. This time we have the Demonia Slacker-52s. I got them from Attitude Europe in the Black Friday sale. There should have been €108 and I paid €43, which is about £40, so a really good deal. Really excited to open them, so yeah, let's get to it. To be in my video. Okay, bye. So here we are. We have a hair dye leaflet. They've just launched their own hair dye brand. I haven't tried that yet though. Packing list. Oh, I got some socks as well just to get it over the free delivery mark. So some socks. The shoes. Wow. Okay, the pink is a lot lighter than I expected. I'll put a picture up here so you can compare. Yeah, that's almost like a candy floss pink, but in the picture it was the same colour as the laces. Excuse my dog, by the way, I don't know if you can hear her chewing in the background. Yeah, so I'm kind of disappointed with the colour difference. Don't know if I like them as much. Anyway, apart from the colour, they look really nice. Got a 2-inch platform. Nice shiny material, pink laces. They've got zips on the inside, but they're also adjustable, so you can make them looser if you want. Yeah. I can't get over the colour difference. I don't know if I like them. I was so excited to get these and they're just not what I expected. Well, I'll try them on and I'll insert a clip of me walking around in them. Okay, so I've tried them on. First impressions, they're very loud, very squeaky, so hopefully that'll calm down once I break them in a bit. They're also a lot snugger than Demonias usually are. The toes are usually quite round with lots of room for the toes, but these are much narrower than the normal Demonia shoes. So if you've got wide feet, maybe this model wouldn't be the best for you. But apart from that, they fit me really well, apart from being slightly smaller than I'm used to, but they still fit me. Yeah, I think I might change the laces just to match with the colour of the sole, because it's annoying me that I was expecting a different colour. I wanted them to be the same. The buckle straps are a bit lighter in colour than I was expecting as well. It's such a small detail, but you know when something's not what you expected. Yeah. But apart from that, they are really nice boots. If you happen to like this shade of pink, then buy them. Just, I'm not sure that they are for me, because I don't really own any pink things as well, so buying these in the first place was out of my comfort zone, and then they arrive and they are not what I expected. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you make a decision about whether to buy these. I have to say, if I had seen this video, if I had seen someone review these, I probably would not have bought them, just because I am slightly disappointed with how they've turned out. But if you like them, then yeah, that's up to you. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.